My brother Fadi from United States. How are you, my
How
bro?
you doing, man? I'm doing good. How are you, bro?
Thank you so much, my brother. I see you now. I see you happy. I'm doing also good. Thank you so much, bro. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. You're
Bro,
welcome.
you reach with the lawn how many or centimeters or inches?
I think almost 4 inches, about nine, almost 9 centimeters.
Almost 9
So
centimeters, right?
yeah, almost, yeah.
Bro,
Not exactly the number, but almost nine.
I remember like you left yesterday. I mean, it's just so fast, you
So
know?
quick, yeah. It was super quick. I don't know. It's 3 months, but I feel it was like 2 weeks.
3 months that you've been left?
Let me tell you, I think my removal was in
Yeah, approximately 3 months, right?
approximately 3 months.
Okay, brother, how is your life? Tell me, man. How is your daily life? How is your walking? How is everything?
I mean, after removal, things are more slow, but day by day you get better. Definitely. Like I show you, like you started with. I came to US with crutches. Now I don't need them. I do everything in the house without crutches. And I maybe in another 6 months I could be jogging and doing even more. So I mean, I'm happier now, like mentally, especially. Like
Wow.
I don't think about height no more, and that was the main thing.
Okay.
So it was definitely worth it.
But now you can do everything by yourself, right, bro? Without using crutches, walker.
No, I do everything, but except outside, like because I still have the kind of the penguin walk.
Okay.
So I try to go outside just with a one crutch to minimize, the
Okay.
the penguin walk.
Okay.
But other than that, I'm good. I can walk around the house, go take the stairs. I gotta hold on into something, but I can take the stairs. So
Great. Great. Great.
it's just
When
time.
when do you start, bro, to walk without crutches? I mean, when was the exact date or time?
I think I was just taking it slow. I don't have this exactly time, but I remember after a month, I don't need the crutches no more. Two crutches. I think I needed to be more confident. I think I could walk more, but I wasn't just confident. I was just, panicking.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
But later on,
But also, bro,
it takes time.
yeah, yeah, that absolutely. And also, one more thing, your bone healing is not that perfect in your case. You know that before you left, also, we told you. And because of that, like because of the bone healing is not so fast, it affects also the recovery because they don't allow you to make the muscle stronger. You know what I mean? Like to build the muscle mass because of the bone healing. But I think your process takes a little bit more time than accept or than other patients. But in the end of the day, bro, you will also walk as other patients normally and do everything normally.
Yeah. I mean, I go to the gym and I do. Yeah, so it's surprising.
Great, bro.
Like 2 months, I started going back to work out, so I'm actually like so happy right now. Where I am, I'm good. Like I don't feel so thank God.
Thank God, bro. Exactly. Bro, how do you feel right now? I mean, especially in United States with your new height. Can you notice that? Is it worth it? How
Yeah,
was the reaction of your
bro. Everybody was, when you wear the shoes on, and everybody asks you what the heck happened. Like I'm almost like 5'11" with the shoes on, and everybody be like, bro, what happened? What happened? Why you look so much taller? I'm like, I don't know. I mean, I am. I'm like acting like idiot. Like I am really, bro. I didn't know. What happened to your leg? Oh, car accident. But yeah, it's actually noticeable. Like in pictures, when you go to the gym, man, oh my God, it feels amazing. Not the shortest.
Yeah,
Like I told you before, you remember it's not always about being the tallest, but at least you're not the shortest. You feel more confident, and that was the reason for me doing it. Is just mentally that I don't have to be every day thinking about height. And you know how it is. Like it's always in your conscience. It's like obsessive. You be so obsessed with it, and it was painful in the mind, very painful.
exactly, bro.
So people be like, "Oh, 4 inches is not a big deal." No, it is a big deal. Like it is a really big. Trust me.
Absolutely, bro. I mean,
Yeah,
everything changed, bro. The proportion
yeah.
changed,
Your clothes, everything.
even the self-confidence. You are mentally healthy. You know what I mean? I mean, a lot of stuff, bro. A lot of stuff. And but bro, to be honest, are you regret your decision to undergo the limb lengthening surgery?
In the beginning, yeah. Definitely.
Me too, I know.
Yeah, like, but after like time pass, like, no, I don't actually. I know that I will be back 100%. A lot of people say no, you will be crippled your whole life. No, I think I will be back 100%. I feel my body. I know I push, I go work out. I see there is improvement. So if there is improvement, that means everything is good, you know. So thank God, I'm not worried no more. I used to be so worried about a lot of stuff, but right now I'm more like, if I'm recovering, that means everything is fine. That's all I
Exactly.
need to focus on. Eat good, go to the gym. I'm trying not to think about it because it's already done. There is nothing else you can do about it. You just gotta keep going.
Exactly, bro.
So yeah,
Exactly.
I don't regret it, but in the process, yeah, I do regret it. I'll be like, it's painful process. People gotta know it. It's not easy, but it's possible. You can do it. If I do it, you can do it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But bro, I mean, people thought it, to be honest, you know that, bro. I mean, you saw 40 patients in Live Life Taller Center, and people's talking a lot of things. If the day is long, you can never walk again. Don't lengthen this height. Don't do it. Don't make it. Blah blah blah. You know what I mean? Also, a lot of people's on internet, bro. If you do the limb lengthening surgery, you will be get crippled and something like that. According to everybody's information, all the limb lengthening patients also with us is crippled. But of course, this is not the case. I mean, you also saw a lot of recovery patients, bro. In our
Yeah, they used to come for nail removal and they walk in perfectly fine. And also, you have to know every patient is different. Everyone push their limit different. I think your body naturally know how to recover. Your body naturally know how to adjust. So it's just your effort, like how much you want to push further. I know it's a long process, but you can make it short if you push more. You know what I'm
absolutely,
saying?
bro. Absolutely.
Because I feel much better here. Like in Live Life Taller, I was more into pain, struggling a little bit. I'm away. It was a lot of mentally, but as soon as I came back to US, I'm mentally more better. My recovery become more better. So everything is here.
Yeah, yeah.
Everything. I eat more better. I'm more focused. So yeah, it's not. I don't regret it. That no. I definitely do not regret. I'm so happy that I done it in my 20s because I rather do it now than later or keep thinking about doing it. It's done. It's out of the way. So no, I don't regret it. Definitely.
But bro, the process for you itself, how was it? Was it hard or how painful was it? Like we didn't had complication with you, right? I mean,
Thank God. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah,
Thank God. No complication. But the pain, I would say, yeah, it was painful, but because everybody's different. Like there was other patient didn't have the same kind of pain that I had. So I cannot say if anyone want to do the surgery will have the same pain that I did because you never know. As when you do it, you figure it out, as you go. I had this skin pain. It was just the worst thing out of the whole thing. Not muscles, not tightness. It was just my struggle and pain. It was the skin. So yeah. But other than that, I think no, I'm good. It was not extremely painful in the beginning. I think toward with the end when it gets really painful.
bro, let's say, because now you did it, you are done, right? So if you can go back from like the start, what you will change, or will you say no, just do it again? The same thing?
I will do probably Precise. Definitely. I will definitely do Precisely because I want to sleep. I want to shower. There is a lot of things to it. So I think loan method, the best advantage is you can gain up to 10.
Yeah,
So you don't get that with the Precise. And also it's a cheaper method, but it's also a little bit uncomfortable with
this is the problem,
sleeping.
bro.
Yeah, but Precise, I think if I had the Precise, I would be way more comfortable.
Absolutely, man. I mean, the lawn method, I did it also 3 times, Fadi, as you know, right? And the problem with the lawn method was exactly the same. I had skin pain as well. That was for me the
That's
hardest
the
part
one.
of the journey, the skin pain, bro. It's
Yeah.
really worse. And I mean, of course, this is not a secret. I mean, you have, as you know, bro, for until you reach your goal, let's say 3 months, open wounds. You know what I mean? And which
Yeah.
means it's a risk of infection for sure. It's not a secret, right? And it's also not comfortable to sleep on the side and to get showered. I mean, like it's really, really uncomfortable. And the
To be
uncomfortability
honest.
is the problem, by the way, not the lengthening itself. It was my opinion. I don't know what you think about it.
Yeah, I think not. I think is because it's the method itself. It's you have nails inside, and I think if I did the precise, I would be more comfortable, and I will definitely, if I go back, I will choose the precise because the only thing that the precise, if I will do it again, I will do precise. But it's still, I will choose loan because I wanted to reach almost nine. You know what I'm saying? Because you cannot get, yeah. So the loan, it will give you up to 10. You won't get that with the precise method.
That's true. Well, with the you can reach 8, with the osteotomy 8.5. But bro, there's also a lot of patients, for example, they are happy with the lawn. So I mean, everybody's different, but yeah, it's really
Yeah.
uncommon. That's true. That's true. Bro, like what exactly, Fadi, when you go, okay, like other people's is like looking you different and like your friends, but what exactly makes you happy? Tell me one point which you say like, hey, exactly this point makes me different happy, that I undergo the limb lengthening and reach the height.
I would say is the confidence of it. It's like somehow when you below average, like if you 5'5", especially where I live, like if I was in a different country, maybe it wouldn't be a big deal. But here, average height is 5'9", so it was always like feeling small, like I'm feeling disconnected, feeling insecure. So right now, it's not in my mind no more, and that makes me happy. Like I'm not walking thinking about, oh, I'm short. Oh, this person is taller. Oh, that pants doesn't look good on me. Proportion. No, this thoughts is just out of my head. I'm not thinking about that. I'm just more focused on my recovery, more focused on my career, more confident. Is definitely worth it for your mental health. If you do it for some people do it maybe for cosmetic reason, just to look good. In my case, it wasn't about the look as much as the mental. I don't think about it no more. And this is for me, that's the happiest part. I don't think about height, you know. That's I can't believe I thought I would still be into it at the beginning. I won't lie, like when I came, because the procedure is done, you're trying to see, you compare your height, is it good? But then you psychologically adjust to it, and then you don't think about it, and that's the best part, that you don't think about height no more.
You are telling me one problem solves, like you solve a problem and this problem solve automatically other problems as well. Like with one,
Other problem, yeah,
yeah, just with one
yeah.
solution you solve a lot of problems. That's really, it's really amazing.
If you go to a psychiatrist, because I think the problem it's physically, that's what causing the mental issue. If you see what I'm saying, like, what's the reason that you so obsessed with that? Because you're physically right. So you do the procedure, you get taller. I think it helps. It helps you in mental because you're fixing the roots of the issue is that you feel short. Because I think if the procedure it don't exist, I will learn how to adapt with the problem, but I will still always think about it. I will have to live my life. There is no other option. But I will. What I'm gonna do? There's no option. So maybe live my life and try to deal with it. But it's amazing there is solutions out there. So that really,
Especially Fadi, if you know that there's a solution and you can change it, but you cannot or you don't want to do it, and that hurts also, like to
of
see,
course,
to know that, and to don't do anything, it's like really bad also. I totally understand what you mean, bro. I had the same mind, so I totally understand. But Fadi, I mean, to reach the goal is, of course, it's not a easy. This is not an easy process.
no,
I
no,
also
no.
mentioned in our appointment, you know what I mean? For
It need
example, yeah,
as
there's
it need mental. You have to be strong mentally. No, more than just physically. You have to know how to deal and with what you're going through. I mean, look, Live Life Taller provide everything you need. Like you will have nursing, you're gonna have the doctor if you need him. But it's not about just Live Life Taller, it's also you. Because if you do nothing, you will never achieve nothing. You see what I'm saying? So
yeah, yeah, absolutely, bro. You are right. But bro, this is unfortunately one point. The other point is, like the complication topic, Fadi. I mean, surgery complication can happen. We also had complication. Um, and because of that, a lot of people is also talking negative. Because of that, a lot of people is afraid, and like the fear and something like that. So as a former patient, what you can say about complication, like what is your opinion, and what is your yeah, what is the feedback about the topic?
Well, the complication, yeah, a complication can happen. It's a surgery, so that it's a surgery, so it's like that's so possible to happen. But the question is, if a complication happen, is there is a solution? So if there is a solution, you don't have to worry. I mean, I've seen patient they had complication, and you always help them through the complication, and this is what is important. You insert object, your body can reject it, and it's so possible because it's not supposed to be there. It's just something, a fixator, a nail inside the bone. It's something. So your body can be like, okay, you know what, I can deal with that. I'm gonna have to react to it. But end of the day, there is a solution for it, right? So that's what it matter. uh I think what I've seen is when I was there. I think when I was there, a lot of people like Agbury and all the patients, they didn't have any problems. So some patients have problems, some patients don't. So it
Everybody's
is it is what it is. Like you could be eating good, you could have everything perfect, and you still can get a complication. It's just your body react. So
exactly, that's
I'm
the
sorry, man. I don't know why people complaining, but that's kind of pissed me off. You choose this. I don't know why they talking so much crap. This is what you chose. If anything happened, it's on you because end of the day, you wanted this. So there is always consequences for a decision that you're going to do, right? It doesn't matter good or bad, but it's on you, not on anybody else. That's what kind of like you. Dr. Halil is what I think he done. I think this is a really good doctor. Like he done almost 4,000 surgeries, and you will never find this anywhere else. To be honest, he's so experienced. He do surgeries every single day. So I, as long as I know, I don't think there is any place that can be competitive with Live Life Total.
I really appreciate it,
To
brother.
know if it,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And also, bro, also before I did a Zoom call as well, and he also told me, Sedat, I check other places when I did my research. I cannot see a one before after picture of any clinic, no X-ray photos, something like that. But you guys have 1,000 examples. So, and you guys are experienced, you know what I mean? I don't know what you think about it when you make your research, bro.
I researched, I didn't find before and after, and that scares me a lot because I want to know. I'm gonna go break my bone and do all this, so I want to see it's possible to recover. So when I check other places, it was no before and after. I want to see someone running. I want to see someone jumping. I want to see someone coming back to normal. And you won't find that anywhere else. I think Live Life Toller have proved that they done so many cases. And I'm not gonna say there is always nothing is perfect, said that. Slight, nothing is perfect. Things need to be improved, maybe. But as far as I know, this is the best place.
I really
There is no other competition. Like I search up. I've been 2.5 years. I look everywhere. I didn't find a place similar to Live Life Taller that have everything like nursing, physiotherapy, everything that you need.
I
You
really
won't find that anywhere else.
really appreciate it, my brother. Do you miss the place? To be honest?
Nah, we're all good. Look, look, I'm gonna be honest. I would love to go just to hang out, but not anything else. Like I don't miss the physiotherapy much. I don't miss the medication. I don't miss none of that, bro. But yo, I miss my friends, like, cause I made a lot of friends.
Yeah, yeah.
But to be honest, man, you have a great nursing team. They still I have their Instagram and we talk sometimes. I love Omar, man. He's so responsive. No matter what time of the day, I ask him about something. Hey, man, I feel this. He ends. Even if I left. I'm already not a patient in Live Life Toler no more, and they still responsive. And this is very, very good to be honest. They are genuinely caring people. So
Appreciate it always, bro. We are doing all our hurt. I mean, because especially I did the lengthening as well. By the way, Fadi, To be honest, man, I mean, you are a guy like, who did also with the lawn method, right? So can you imagine to do the surgery? It doesn't matter with which method, by the way, and continue the lengthening at home?
Not the first one, maybe the second one, because you already go through it. But the first one, hell no. Like the first one, it's impossible to do this in your own because
Yeah.
Sadat, you it just you go to Turkey, you wake up in a hospital, your leg are broken, have fixator on. It's mentally a lot. So if you by yourself on this, you could. It's I think it's tough. So no, I don't think you can do this and go home. I don't know. You show patient one time I saw on Instagram that they do it and go home, but that was possible.
But the limb lengthening surgeries, yeah, the sensitive topic here is like when we do the surgery, we will start the process. You know what I mean? And the most important thing is the process itself, not of course, surgery is a different type of important thing here, but the process itself is really,
Process, yeah.
yeah, everything what happened there. And to do the surgery and go home, oh God, I mean, it's like kind of hard, and
I
that's
mean, you done it. You done it yourself.
yeah,
You
that's
did it yourself.
the point,
Yeah.
bro.
So you know how it is, and maybe that's what gave you the idea about Live Life Taller. So
Yeah, absolutely, bro.
I can imagine. I mean, if I wouldn't even know about it. So that like if Life Taller, if they don't provide the aftercare, maybe you won't even dare to go there and do it from the first place. The only reason that I went to do it, it's a building, a facility, people there nursing, because end of the day, I'm scared. It's a big thing, so I want to make sure I'm in a safe hand. I'm in a safe place. So yeah, I'm happy, man. I'm actually happy that I choose Live Life Taller, especially the out. But I might not be appreciated if something bad happened, right? It is how life is.
Yeah, bro.
I mean, this is how it is. Like because everything, thank God, went good with me. So best Live Life Taller is the best place in the world. If things went bad, Live Life Taller is gonna be the worst place in the world. It's
Bro,
just the way it is.
I mean,
It's
you
just
cannot
how.
make everybody happy. That's impossible for sure.
Yeah,
But bro, problems happen. Problems is there to be solved for sure. But as long as the patient is ready to solve the problem, also, or as long as we are ready to solve the problem, then we can solve the problem because the problem we can only solve together.
yeah,
But
definitely.
anyway. So my brother, by the way, thank you so much that you are, like sharing your story and like your everything.
Welcome,
I
man.
really appreciate it. By the way, why you are sharing your story? Why you are sharing the story with me and Live Life Taller?
I would say, to be honest, man, I feel if someone had the same mindset that I had, I want to let him know, hey, bro, there is a solution. If you struggling mentally like I was, you can do it. Like seriously, like maybe people ask me, do you recommend the surgery? No, I don't know. I don't know to recommend it or not because I'm not in your shoes. I don't know what's your mindset. But if you the same exactly the way I was thinking and the way I was struggling mentally, definitely do. It will help you a lot. That's with my case. I don't know about other people. And I cannot tell you, oh, the surgery will be easy. No, I'm not gonna tell you all that. It is you do nothing, from nothing come nothing. You have to put effort. You put financially, you put money, you leave home, you sacrifice a lot for this. It's not like oh 1, 2, 3. It is a process. So I think in my case it was worth it because I would say I'm gonna struggle 1 year, but I'm gonna not gonna have this mental pain for the rest of my life. So if you in the same shoes, do it. Definitely. That's the reason I would like, people to know about it because a lot of people, what is the worst thing? I've seen people really want to do it, but they cannot do it. That's what hurts more. Like you want this, but you can't because it's financially maybe you don't have it, you cannot travel, whatever. So many reasons that can stop you from doing it. So yeah, I'm glad that I did it, man.
Thank God, bro. Thank God. And we are also really happy to share your story as well, also from all our other patients, because we don't hide anything, bro. We sharing our job to the world because we know exactly that we did everything right. So everything is perfect. I mean, like how the surgery take place and the aftercare, everything is good on you. And also it's important, like what would you recommend, or what would you say for patients who want to undergo a limb lengthening surgery but who's afraid about to be get crippled or never walk again? The same question what you had, you know what I mean? And me too, by the way. What would you say,
I
bro?
mean,
What would you say as a patient who knows what's going on?
I don't know, Sadat, to be honest. I don't, because I was, before doing it, I was so scared, I won't lie.
Yeah.
But I think you should be ready. Like, if you want to do this, you should know what you're doing it for, because this is what will motivate you to go through it. So you have to be ready, like mentally, financially, physically, in every aspect, before you do the surgery. That's my recommendation. If you want to do it, be ready. So it will make the job easy for Live Life Taller and also for you as a patient. Your process will be more easier. Some people just go and do it without thinking. I think this is makes it hard for themselves and for Live Life Taller. So my recommendation, be ready. Know what you're doing it for. This is so important. I had my reasons. Ask yourself, okay, why I want to do it. And this is the answer. You will dig into yourself and find out why you're doing this. Because I don't think it's just about the looks at it. Because it's not about just looking better. It's also more into it. So that's what I recommend. Be ready in every aspect. Mentally, man. Very important.
Bro, this is the most important thing. You're right. You are definitely right.
Mentally.
Mental, I mean, the most hardest part is the mental part, right? I mean, because the process itself, you know what's going on. You know that you have the fixator. You know that you are getting tall, but mentally you should be support you to make the job easier for the patient and for us, as you said. That's true. Yeah, bro. But some people is strongly mentally, some people is not. Some people they don't know what exactly they want. Unfortunately, you can never stop this, so it's hard.
Yeah. I don't know. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I've seen patient when I was there. He did it without like searching it up. Like he just wouldn't do it because. But that's actually was like, bro. Like you gotta know what you're doing. Like you just don't go and do it because it's not like you're gonna go spend 9 days in Turkey and you're gonna come taller. It's a process. So you have to have knowledge, know what you're doing so you can go through it. You know what I'm saying? Not just, of course, live life taller will be with you in every step of the way. Whatever it was in the package, I received it. It was the nursing, it was nursing giving me medication, my physiotherapy, they were doing their job. So the rest is yours. The rest is on you because you guys gonna do what you said you're gonna do, but also don't let your mind trick you because I know how it is. Like, just be focused. Go there. It's like a business, a job. I'm gonna go do this, get it done, get out of there, go on my way.
Absolutely, you're right, my brother. Hadi, bro, thank you so much for the information that you share here with me and with other peoples as well. So I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
And bro, keep going, please. Be careful with your nutrition. Be healthy, healthy nutrition. You're already going to gym, which makes me really happy, bro. Just with nutrition, you are what you eat. I had the same things, bro. Believe me, you can increase the speed of your bone healing because from now everything is
Definitely,
in your hands. You are the boss of your body. You can show the direction, which way your body is, will be going through.
definitely. Bro.
Yeah. And
No,
you're
I'm
the guy. Yeah.
appreciate you, man. Man, I wish you the best and thank you for everything. Sadat, not just the surgery as a person, you helped me a lot. You and Sarah to it wasn't easy to get there actually, how hard it was. I really appreciate it, man. You guys been very, very supportive on this. Anything, man, anything you need.
Yeah.
Got you.
Thank you, I really appreciate it, Fadi. And also, lastly, my brother, again, thank you so much that you take time for the video, bro. I mean, I know that you have your own job in your life. I really appreciate it, Fadi. And also,
You're welcome.
me as a person in Live Life Taller makes me so proud that I don't talk empty words, just facts, and the facts is our job. And thank to you that we can share our job also to all our patients who is willing to make the video. I really appreciate it, brother, because for the best success to share our job here, really transparent. And this is the best sign of the success, I guess, especially also for us and for
You
other.
show your work. Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Perfect.
My brother, thank you. Take care.
You're welcome.
Greetings from
And I'm gonna send you videos of my recovery, and you know, as soon as I go to the gym, I'm gonna send you some videos.
Hey, I will be really happy and I will be really appreciated if you can do that, my brother. Thank you so much,
Okay.
buddy. Much love
I'll do that.
and
All
pass my
right, man.
the
Thank you
family,
so
my
much.
brother.
Much love, man.
Bye bye. Bye bye, bro. Bye
Appreciate you, man. Same to you. Stay safe. Bye.
bye.